Hi guys, today we will discuss the outlook of Indian economy for 2021. The chart that I am going to use is of 1st February 2020, 11 am New Delhi, when our finance minister announced the union budget for this financial year. So let's get started. So we have to keep the context of coronavirus at the back of our mind when we are trying to analyze the economy. Now the GDP, that is the second house of the chart, is ruled by Venus. It is in the 11th house. That's a good house, but according to Ashtak Varga, it is not that in a good shape. So the Indian economy's GDP will not grow as per our expectations, but I feel we need not be too much worried about the GDP, because eventually it will pick up steam after the later part of the year. Now let's look at the Indian economy from various industries point of view. Now from entertainment perspective, Rahu in third house will lead to new forms of entertainment like streaming, the web kind of entertainment, digital entertainment, that will be in vogue, that will pick up speed. From later part of June and July, the real estate, food industry, auto industry, restaurant business, that will begin to pick up steam. So it might be surprising for you, hey, like June, July is like, just couple of months from here, but the stars indicate that these industries will start picking up from June, July. From August 2020, government offices will start functioning. So currently, as we know, because of COVID-19 issue, not all government offices are fully equipped or fully manned. But that situation will begin to change from August 2020. In September 2020, pharma and agriculture, these industries will begin to pick up steam, especially pharma. And considering the backdrop of COVID-19, we can see very good gains in the pharma industry. October will bring in good news for retail trade, especially offline shops. So that will coincide, approximately with Diwali that is going to come up. So that's a very good news. And as you all know, retail employs huge number of workers. So that's a good sign. So in October, the offline retail will start picking up steam. In November, you will see companies or industries in the business of pesticides, chemical companies, electrical companies, or any companies making defense equipments, those will start to get in new orders. Their prospects will start brightening up. In December 2020, banking and finance industry will start looking up. That's a huge industry, as we all know. That's the backbone of our economy, or any economy for that matter. So from December 2020, banking and finance industry will start picking up steam. Other than that, travel within India, travel and tourism within India will start looking up. People will start traveling. Also, religious places will start opening up. So as we all know, religious places also attract large number of tourists. So that part of the industry will start picking up steam. In Jan 2021, most of the employees will be back to work in their offices. I will make a separate video from work from home perspective, because I know you will have many questions with respect to that, but that will be for separate video. But from Jan 2021, we will be able to see offices getting back to normal occupancy levels. In February 2021, air travel within India will start picking up speed. So it will also boost the travel industry, which is already looking good from December 2020 perspective. So from Feb, travel within air, especially air travel within India, will pick up speed. Tourism will get a boost. Finally, moving on to March 2021, the end of this financial year, foreign air travel will start getting back to normalcy. So Feb will usher in the local domestic travel, and then in March the foreign travel will start picking up steam. So guys, that was my analysis of Indian economy. So overall I feel it is positive. I see positive signs from economic standpoint. So there is no need of despair and gloom that we are currently facing. Things will start brightening up stage by stage. As you know, the economy gears up, the wheels of the economy start moving. So let's hope that the economy gets back on track and India as a nation gets back on its feet, and we strive to be the number one country in this world. Jai Hind.